Welcome to the Advanced Etoro Crypto Guide, where we will explore the features and tools available on the Etoro platform for experienced crypto traders. To start, it is essential to understand the concept of copy trading, which allows users to replicate the trades of experienced traders. This feature is particularly useful for those who are new to crypto trading or want to diversify their portfolio. Next, we will cover the topic of cryptocurrency CFDs, which are contracts for difference that allow traders to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the underlying asset. Etoro offers a range of cryptocurrency CFDs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Another critical aspect of advanced Etoro crypto trading is technical analysis. This involves using charts and indicators to identify trends and patterns in the market. Etoro provides a range of technical analysis tools, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. To demonstrate the practical application of these concepts, let us consider an example. Suppose we want to trade Bitcoin using Etoro's crypto CFDs. We can start by analyzing the Bitcoin chart using technical indicators, such as the moving average convergence divergence indicator. If the indicator shows a bullish trend, we can open a long position on Bitcoin using a CFD. Best practices for advanced Etoro crypto trading include setting a budget, managing risk, and staying up to date with market news and trends. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio by trading multiple cryptocurrencies and using different trading strategies. In conclusion, advanced Etoro crypto trading requires a deep understanding of the platform's features and tools, as well as a solid grasp of technical analysis and risk management. By following the concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, experienced traders can take their crypto trading to the next level and achieve their investment goals.